Howdy, neighbors. Well, I got asked about if I cook with my ovens ever, and it turns out that just yesterday morning I was thinking about doing one of these. So, I think I was asked about it yesterday. The oven's sitting at, I don't know, 3:30, something like that. Anyway, even with the weather as smoky as it is out here, I decided to yank it out and put it out. And I put together a video of me mixing the mix, getting the water, putting it together, and my tablet was too full and didn't store any of it, but about a quarter of it. Yuck. So anyway, it's at the stage now where it's been in 45 minutes. I'm going to poke it with a toothpick. By the way, thank you, Dory. I believe I got these toothpicks from you down in Ehrenberg. And let's see what we got. Where is it? There it is. Looks good to me. So, that's a blueberry muffin, or now, blueberry bread. I'll let it sit out here and cool off for a while. Normally, when I'm around other people, I'll do two of these at the same time, a blueberry and a banana. Get one, I know it's just crap, but one half cup of water and one pack, throw it in there, stir it up with a fork, boom. Do two of them, boom, boom. Anyway, I forgot who it was, but